Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about homeowners insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about homeowners insurance, including what is homeowners insurance, what are the different types of homeowners insurance policies, what are the advantages of purchasing homeowners insurance, how does homeowners insurance work, and what is the cost of a homeowners insurance policy, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What is homeowners insurance? Insurers provide financial protection for your home, which you can obtain from an insurance provider. It can assist you in paying for damages if your home is damaged by a covered disaster or other damaging event. A standard insurance policy protects you in a number of ways, including the following: the physical structure and contents of the home. In the event of a covered event, home insurance provides financial protection for the structure of a home as well as any personal belongings that are kept in the home. Expenses for living above and beyond. The majority of homeowners insurance policies will cover any additional living expenses you incur while repairs are being completed. This means that if you have to stay in a hotel or eat out, your policy may cover those additional costs. Protection against liability. A standard homeowners insurance policy includes liability protection as a standard feature. This means that if someone is injured on your property, or if you are found to be at fault for damage to someone else's property, your liability coverage may be able to help cover the costs of their medical bills and other expenses. What are the different types of homeowners insurance policies? There are two basic types of homeowners insurance. Actual cash value policies and replacement cost policies are two types of insurance policies. Real-world depreciation and inflation are taken into account in an actual cash value policy, which means that reimbursement for appliances and upgrades made to a kitchen 10 years ago, for example, would be paid at a percentage of the original cost of the items. A replacement cost policy ensures that items are replaced with new ones that are comparable to the old ones, without taking into account depreciation or inflation. In the event of a total loss, an actual cash value policy may leave you short of the funds necessary to rebuild your home from scratch. The cost of rebuilding your home may fluctuate over time as a result of rising construction costs and other inflationary pressures on the market. There are a variety of factors at play here, including the length of time you've owned your home, fluctuations in property values, changes in building codes, as well as changes in material and labor costs. For example, rising property values could increase the value of your home by several times over what it was when you purchased your policy, resulting in increases in material and labor costs as a result. Stricter building codes may necessitate the use of additional and more expensive materials than those that were originally used in the construction of your home. Furthermore, some older homes may have been constructed using materials and methods that are no longer widely available and, as a result, are prohibitively expensive to replicate. Plaster and lath walls, for example, require more labor and materials to construct than modern drywall walls. If you want to restore your home to its original condition, you'll have to budget for these additional costs. What are the advantages of purchasing homeowners insurance? Being a homeowner has a number of advantages, including the ability to take advantage of some excellent tax deductions. Homeowners insurance offers a variety of additional benefits as well. The following are examples of such things: coverage for personal belongings as well as liability. It is important to note that homeowners insurance does not only protect your physical home, but it also protects your personal belongings and liabilities. Assistance with temporary housing. Your insurance may cover temporary housing expenses such as hotel rooms, rent, and storage fees in the event that your home is rendered uninhabitable due to a covered event. Providing a financial safety net. Having homeowners insurance can help protect you from financial ruin. One incident that results in damage, destruction, or loss can put you in debt, wipe out your savings, and negatively impact your credit score. In the case of homeowners insurance, you only have to pay your deductible. The rest is taken care of, up to the policy's maximum coverage. Peace of mind. Even just knowing that you're covered can provide a sense of security. Assuming the worst-case scenario occurs, you can rest assured that you will be able to replace items and find temporary housing solutions without having to dip into your savings account too deeply. How does homeowners insurance work? Your homeowner's insurance journey can be broken down into several steps, each of which has its own set of considerations to take into account. Understanding each step may assist you in better understanding how your policy operates. 1. Obtaining quotes. However, there are a few things you should be aware of when evaluating different insurance companies for your homeowner's insurance coverage. First and foremost, you may want to investigate several homeowners insurance companies to determine which carriers best meet your requirements. Consider whether the discounts and coverages offered by each company are appropriate for your needs as you compare and contrast each provider. Once you have identified a number of companies that may be a good fit for your requirements, you can contact each of them to obtain home insurance quotes. You can frequently complete this process online, over the phone, or by visiting a local agency. During the quotation process, inquire about the discounts offered by each company. One of the most straightforward ways to lower your home insurance premium is to take advantage of available discounts. These can include savings for installing a home alarm system, bundling policies, and being claims-free. 2. Purchasing an insurance policy. Once you have determined which company is the best fit for you, your family, and your home, you can proceed to purchase your insurance policy. It is possible that you will be required to sign an application and make a payment before it can be put in place. Payment options such as annual or quarterly billing are available from the majority of providers, among other things. When it comes to your home, you may or may not have to make a payment on your mortgage. At each renewal period, your insurance premium may be included in your monthly mortgage payment, held in an escrow account, and then disbursed to your insurance company by the insurance company. If you currently have a policy with one company and want to switch to another, you should notify your mortgage servicer of the change. Although your new insurance company will most likely send documentation to the mortgage company, notifying your loan servicer of the change in advance allows them to make a note of the change in your file and prepare for the possibility of receiving documents and an invoice from a new insurance company. 3. Maintaining a policy. Once you've put a policy in place, keeping it up to date is relatively straightforward. You will be required to make premium payments, or if your coverage is paid from your escrow account, you will be required to ensure that the premium is paid by your mortgage company. If you make any changes to your home or way of life, such as replacing your roof, renovating a room, or adopting a dog, you should notify your insurance carrier to ensure that your policy continues to provide you with adequate insurance coverage. 4. Filing a claim. If something unexpected happens and your home is damaged, you may be required to file a claim with your insurance company. Claim forms are typically available online, through a mobile app, or in person or over the phone with an insurance agent. Generally speaking, you can expect questions about general information such as the location of the damage, the type of damage you have, and when it occurred. Before issuing any payment, it is customary to request that you submit photographs of the damaged areas of your home or allow a claims adjuster to inspect the damage. Once you've started the claims process, your insurance provider will determine the next steps to take on your behalf. What is the cost of a homeowner's insurance policy? Homes insurance in the United States is on average $1,312 per year for $250,000 in dwelling coverage, according to the Insurance Information Institute. However, because there are a variety of factors that influence the cost of homeowners insurance, your premium may differ from the national average in some ways. Some of these considerations are as follows. Your state and zip code. The location of your home is one of the most important factors to consider when determining how much you will have to pay in home insurance. Each state, and even each zip code, has a distinct profile in terms of the likelihood of certain claims occurring, which can have an impact on your insurance premium. The construction of the house. The way your home is built can have an impact on your insurance premium in a number of ways. Some types of construction are more resistant to certain types of damage, such as wind or fire, and this can result in a lower insurance premium. Some types of building materials, on the other hand, are more expensive to repair, which could result in an increase in your insurance premium. Age of home. Newer homes are generally less likely to sustain damage from a variety of sources, such as severe weather or plumbing issues, than older homes. Aside from that, the building materials used in older homes may not be up to modern building standards, necessitating the need for additional work in the form of repairs or replacement. Costs could rise as a result of the need to update materials. Distance to nearest fire station. It is likely that authorities will arrive at your location more quickly if you are close to a fire station in an emergency. This means that emergency responders are more likely to be able to put out a fire faster if you live closer to the scene than if you live further away, which could help to reduce damage. Deductible. If you file a claim, your deductible is the amount of money you agree to pay out of pocket if you are successful. Higher deductibles mean that the insurance company will pay less if you file a claim. And as a result, your premium is typically reduced in proportion. Coverage options levels. In general, the higher the levels of coverage you choose, the more you will have to pay in insurance premiums. In a similar vein, the more optional coverages you choose to include in your policy, the more money you will almost certainly have to pay. Score on the credit report. Your credit score has an impact on your home insurance premium in most states because homeowners with poor credit are statistically more likely to file a claim than homeowners with good credit. Some states, however, do not permit the use of credit as a rating consideration. History of the claim. You may find that your insurance premiums are higher if you have filed a homeowner's claim within the last 3 to 5 years. Even if you switch insurance companies, your new carrier will be able to see your previous claims and may charge you more as a result. Another factor that influences the cost of homeowners insurance is the company you choose to insure your home with. Each pricing variable is given a different weight by insurance companies. It is possible that one company will place greater emphasis on your claim history than another. It is possible that shopping around and getting quotes from several insurance carriers will help you find the coverage you need at a competitive price if you do your research. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about homeowners insurance, including what is homeowners insurance, what are the different types of homeowners insurance policies, what are the advantages of purchasing homeowners insurance, how does homeowners insurance work, and what is the cost of a homeowners insurance policy, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.